In today's video, I'm going to show you how to convert an HTML file to a PDF using Microsoft Edge. This is useful if you want to save a web page offline or share it as a document. First, open Microsoft Edge on your computer. Once it's opened, press Ctrl+O on your keyboard. This will bring up a window where you can browse and select your HTML file. Find the file you want to convert and click Open. Edge will load the file in a new tab. Now, look at the top right corner of the screen and click the three dots to open the menu. From the list of options, select Print. When the print window appears, go to the Printer drop-down menu and select Save as PDF. This will allow you to turn your HTML file into a PDF instead of printing it on paper. You can adjust settings like page size, layout, or margins if needed. When you're ready, click Save or Print at the bottom. A window will appear asking where you want to save the file. Choose your folder, type a file name, and click Save. That's it. Your HTML file is now converted to a PDF using Microsoft Edge. Simple and easy.